Welcome to our channel. Email threading in Slack allows you to keep conversations organized by replying to specific messages in threads rather than cluttering the main channel. Here's how to use this feature effectively. Step 1. Open the Slack app on your desktop or mobile device and log into your workspace. Step 2. Navigate to the channel or direct message where you want to reply to a specific message. Step 3. Hover your mouse over the message you want to reply to. You'll see several icons appear on the right side of the message. Step 4. Click on the speech bubble icon labeled Reply in Thread, or simply click Start a Thread if available. Step 5. A thread panel will open on the right side of your screen, desktop, or in a new view, mobile. Step 6. Type your response in the message box at the bottom of the thread panel. Step 7. If you want your reply to also appear in the main channel, check the box that says Also Send to Channel before sending your message. Step 8. Click Send to post your reply in the thread. The original message will now show a reply count indicator. Step 9. To view an existing thread, click on the X Replies text below any message that has responses. Step 10. Use threads regularly to keep your channels organized and make it easier for team members to follow specific conversations without losing context. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.